welcome into mathematics, and at this point in time we are dealing with what is termed as sine rule. And I want you to note that whenever you're in mathematics, you are dealing with a non-right angle triangle like the one you have there that is denoted by XYZ. I want you to understand when given two angles and one side, then they want you to find the other side, you apply sine rule. The same way when you are given two sides and one angle, then they want you to find the other angle, you should note that you are going to apply what is termed as sine rule. So in this case, as you already know the formula I'd given you from the first video, so sine rule equals to sine A equals to B over sine B equals to C over sine C. But in this case, the letters we are dealing with are Z, so it will be Z over sine Z equals to Y over sine Y equals to X over sine X. So in this respect, you need to make sure that for you to apply this formula, you must have at one point an angle and a side. So if you check out this problem that we have, Z only has a side, no angle. X has an angle, no side. Y has an angle, no side. But as a mathematician, you should see that if at all you have an angle here and an angle there, it means you can easily find yourself an angle which is at that point. How are you going to do that? A triangle adds up to 180. So it's 80 plus 60, 140. Minus 180, it means that there is a 40. So now you have Z, which has both an angle and a side. So we'll use it. Y, it has nothing to offer. The question is asking us to find YZ. So YZ is representing X. So we'll use Z and X. Why have I used the Z? It has both an angle and a side. Why am I using X? It is the length we are finding for X. So now we'll say, okay, Z over sine Z capital equals to X over sine X. So Z is what? That is 6. Z is 6 over, that is sine 40, equals to, what is X? X is YZ over YZ, that is over sine 60. That's what we got. So from that end, we'll cross multiply. So this is sine 60. So we are going to say 6 is sine 60 equals to YZ sine 40. So in this case, we are going to say 6, that is 6 times sine 60. So this one has given us 5.19615, that is 2423 equals to YZ sine 40. Now remember, we want YZ. So if we want YZ, so we'll divide by sine 40. Even this side will say sine 40. This and that goes, so that YZ will be equals to, so that is divided by sine 40. So in this case, our answer will be 8.08 kilometers. So sorry, centimeters in this case. So here there is nothing like no finding inverse what, it's just direct when you're finding a side. So at this point in time, you are done. So they want you to find the area of XYZ. So as you know, area equals to 0.5 AB sine theta. So it will be 0.5 times, since we found the 40 at this point in here we found 8.08. So it means that the angle we're going to use is 80, because it is 80 that has a length this side and the length there. So it will be times that is 0.5 times 8.08 times 6, that is the sine 80. So area will be equals to, so I'll just say 0.5 times 8.08, that is times 6 sine 80. So our answer has turned out to be 23.9, that is centimeters. Shortest distance, as you know, will be shortest distance equals to 2a over b. So it will be 23.9 over b. They want us to find the shortest distance of x to yz. So shortest distance to here. So it means 8.08. So I'll say 23.8 23.8, that 0.9, I beg your pardon, 23.9 as per rounded off times 2 equals to, then divided by 8.08. So our answer is shortest distance equals to 5.91 centimeters. So at that point you are done. Lastly but not the least, it says tan theta equals to 2.75. So what you want is theta. There is no number, so nothing like dividing. So it will be theta equals to tan inverse of 2.75. So theta will be equal to. So remember I said you just have to punch to say shift, then you say tan. So that is open brackets, 2.75 close bracket equals to. So it has given me 70. So this is for the first quadrant. Since you have been awarded 2 marks, you ask yourself, where else is tan positive in the third quadrant? So you say third quadrant will be equals to 180 plus theta. So it will be 180 plus 70. Your answer shall be 250. At that point, you are done. Thank you.